Hi everyone. I'm going to read you a Pete the Cat book. This one is called Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes. It's about a party and a mystery about cupcakes, and it has a really happy ending. Pete and Gus were as busy as could be. They were getting ready for the cupcake party. It started at 3. They were making cupcakes for everyone. Pete and Gus counted them just for fun. They had 10 when they were done. Can you count the 10 cupcakes on the windowsill? They're all so pretty, aren't they? Oh no, hang on. Some of the cupcakes were gone. They were sure there had been 10. Pete said, maybe we need to count again. They counted the cupcakes lined up straight. Now there were only 8. It looked like someone had taken 2. But who? Pete and Gus didn't know what to do. Just then they found a clue. Gus said, look what I found. Sprinkles on the ground. I bet it was Squirrel. She loves sprinkles. Squirrel said, it wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been at the spelling bee. Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. That was too weird. 2 more cupcakes disappeared. Now there were only 6. Someone must be playing tricks. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Can you count the 6 cupcakes on the shelf? My favorite's the one with the strawberry on top. Just then, they found another clue. Looks like footprints to me. Pete said, I bet it was Alligator. He loves to eat. Alligator said, it wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been learning my ABCs. Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. Now there were only 4. Someone had taken 2 more. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then, they found another clue. Do you think the ladder is the clue? I bet it was Turtle. I know Turtle loves sweets, said Pete. Turtle said, it wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been swimming in the sea. Look in the window and see if you see any clues, everyone. Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. What on earth was going on? All the cupcakes were now gone. Pete and Gus did not know what to do. They started looking for another clue. Uh-oh, they found Grumpy Toad with icing on his face. Pete and Gus have solved the case. I'm so sorry, it was me. I could not stop with just one. I ate and ate until there were none. They must have been delicious cupcakes. Everyone agreed Grumpy Toad would have to miss the fun. He could not come after what he'd done. Pete said, but wait, Grumpy Toad made a mistake. That's true, but let's give him a chance. That's what friends do. Pete told Grumpy Toad they'd give him another chance. He was so excited, he did a happy dance. The night of the party was so much fun. Grumpy Toad bought more than enough cupcakes for everyone. Pete the Cat's birthday cupcake party. The end. That was a nice story, wasn't it? So we learned a couple of things. We could learn how to count by twos because we started with 10 cupcakes and then two kept going missing at a time. And we also learned that sometimes if a friend makes a mistake, we can forgive them. It was a nice end. And those cupcakes sure look delicious. Hope you guys have a great rest of the day. I'll be back to read to you soon.